Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Little quick video. If you ever want to rotate something off center so you have a object in the middle, really easy to do. There's probably a couple ways to do it, but let's just draw an ellipse. Let's hit P, put it in the center of the page, which doesn't matter in this case. I'm going to draw a 2-point line both directions. And I'm going to take this line, hold down the shift key, select the circle, and hit R. I'm going to select that top line, the circle, and hit B. That put it to the right bottom. This is going to be our rotation point. And you could do anything. You could have it off further or whatever, but this is probably pretty easy. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on that X right there, and very easily it'll snap to that intersection. Let's rotate that just 10 degrees. That's all we need to do. Take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in. I'm going to nudge it out of the way for a second. I'm going to go ahead and, well, I don't want to get rid of my lines. And then we're going to nudge this back. That's the center rotation. And then you could do anything to it. Let's get the interactive fill tool. See if I can't do a little bit better job this time of coloring it in and give it some pizzazz. Let's put a little bit of red, just a little bit, then because you can put another blue on the other side of it. Move that blue down. That doesn't look half bad. Now, Control D and make a duplicate. Click on your rotation, and if you have snap to on, let me try to, oh, there it is right there. If you have snap to guidelines, object, and page on, it'll very easily snap to that line. And then just rotate that same 10 degrees. Whoop, must have moved something. Let me back up here. Yep, see it moved. Control D and make a duplicate. Same rotation, 10 degrees. It's going to look pretty good. And just keep hitting Control D till you go all the way around. And there you have it. Now there's a lot more you could do with this. You could right click a white line and make it thicker and make it white, adding a lot to it, just personal preference, but that's rotating off center. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.